Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are gonna see how coupons in Pabbly subscription billing works and how you can create a coupon. So coupons are basically some codes that you create in your system, and these codes can be applied on the checkout page by your customers to redeem it against a discount. So we'll see how coupons can be created, what are the settings that we need to make. So for creating a coupon, you just need to log in into your Pabbly subscription billing account, go on the products and select the product on which you want to create the coupon. So I want to create a coupon for a product that I have in my account, which is called streaming service. And I have three plans already created for this. One is weekly, one is annual, one is monthly. So I want to create a 10% discount coupon for anyone who purchases annual plan, so they can redeem that coupon for a discount of 10% whenever they make a purchase of this particular plan. So we'll start with this. We'll go on coupons and click on add coupon button, and we have to write the name of the coupon, which is just for our reference. It is not going to be shown to your customers. So I'll be naming the coupon as 10% discount. After giving a name to our coupon, we need to select a coupon code which is going to be used by our customers on the checkout page for the coupon to be redeemed for a discount. So we'll select a coupon code. So my coupon code is going to be 10 off, and this is the coupon code which will be used on the checkout page to be redeemed against a discount. And then we have to select a discount type. So discount type can be of two types. It can be a flat amount or a percentage. So for now I'll be choosing 10%, but if you want to want to offer a discount of flat amount, so you can choose this flat option and enter the amount. But for now I'll be choosing percent, and the percent is going to be 10%. Now we have to select the redemption type. So redemption type determines how many times this coupon will be applied on a subscription. So either it can be one time, forever, or unlimited number of times on a particular subscription. So I'll be choosing one time, but if you want to apply the coupon on subscription for a limited number of times, you can choose this option and write the number of times. So but for now I'll be choosing one time. Then you have to select the associated plans with this coupon, like on which plans do you want to offer this coupon. So I'll be choosing some selected plans like the annual plans, only the annual plan, not any other than that. So this coupon is going to work only on the checkout page of annual basic plan. So this is the setting. And next we have valid up to date. We have to select a validity date for this coupon. It can be anything that you want. You can uh, scroll from the calendar and choose the validity date for this coupon. So I'll be choosing a 1 year validity for this coupon, and it is going to be the validity date is going to be 21st November 2022. After this, we need to decide like whether we want the coupon to be applied on the order total, or just on the subscription amount only, or just on the add-on amount. So to apply the coupon on the order total, we can untick both of these options. But to apply the coupon on the subscription, which is the plans total only, so you can tick this. If you want the coupon to be applied on add-on amount only, you can offer bump offers with Pabbly subscription billing on the checkout page. So if you want the coupon to be applied on that bump offer add-on, so you can tick this option. But if you want the order total, if you want the coupon to be applied on the order total, so you can untick this both. So I'll be doing that for my settings. Then we have maximum redemption. Maximum redemption determines how many times this coupon can be redeemed. So for now I'll be choosing 10,000 times. This coupon can be redeemed 10,000 times. So we'll save the settings and see how coupons work on the checkout page. Our coupon has been successfully created. This is our coupon code, and these are some related details to our coupon. So how many times the coupon is used, the total number of coupons, like the maximum redemption. And we'll see how this looks on the checkout page we have created for this particular plan. So we'll go on the checkout page of this plan, and you see that the order total is $1099.99, and we'll apply a coupon to get this reduced because of a discount. So we'll apply the coupon code, and This is the coupon code working. The amount has been reduced. We are getting a discount of 10% as per our settings. So this is how the coupon works manually. But if you want to pass this coupon in the URL to, so your customers get the discount by default, so you can do that by putting a parameter in the URL. You just need to put a question mark and coupon underscore code equals to your coupon code. So my coupon code is 10 off. So I'll be writing my coupon code and we'll save this and open it in a new tab. And you see that the coupon is already applied because we have put it in the URL. So you can pass the coupons in URL and it will be successfully applied. So this is how the coupon works. But if you have any questions, any difficulties while creating coupons, so do let us know so we can help you. You can write to us at admin@pabbly.com. Thanks for watching.